Mabukisi Foundation, Lwati Nobuve Lingre.
His Majesty the King Mswati III is celebrating 40 years on the throne this year, and the country has seen tremendous growth and development under his wise leadership. What can you say about him? What are congratulatory words you can say and encouragement to him, even to the nation at large? I mean, to really be fully behind him as the captain of the ship.
I don't even know if Ndina so congratulating us.
You start by saying Bayetho.
Yes, it's such. I mean, it's an honor to even be in a position where I can congratulate such a profound human being. But I think Kubeka Usiya Pambi. 40 years is, I guess, in inverted commas, only the beginning. For your reign. And I'm assuming the reason why you have been there for 40 years is because you're doing a tremendous job and you are loved by your country, you are loved by your people. And ndithembile ndiyazi futhi uba abantu bafunda kakhulu apha kuwe tata. Inga uThixo angakunika amandla futhi okwenza enye 40 years akwandisele akunike just the strength of being able to do what is godly, what is pure, what is all about the humility lena sithetha ngayo. Ndiyabulela kakhulu first and foremost ngokuza kuni. I feel like it's too much of a responsibility for me to even say anything to you, but we are Thandwa kwaXhosa. We are Thandwa City, and congratulations and to many more. Yes, komkhono.
Mabukisi Foundation, Lwati Nebuve Ingcebo.